All right, it was last September that Fort Bend County Judge KP George was indicted for a misdemeanor charge in a misrepresentation of identity case tied to his former chief of staff. Well, since then, George has been relatively quiet about it until this afternoon, and that is when the county judge used his office to release a 2-page personal statement claiming his rights were disregarded. KPRC 2 Investigates Mario Diaz spoke with the judge and other Fort Bend County leaders today. And Mario, what is Judge George pointing to specifically?
Danny, George is saying, in his words now, standard legal procedures were circumvented. The email sent from George's communications team claimed George received inappropriate treatment when he was booked last fall, including what his team says was an unnecessary hold by Vice, despite his longstanding U.S. citizenship and elected position. Keep in mind, George has been county judge since 2018. Now, I spoke with Sheriff Eric Fagan regarding George's comments, and Fagan told me there was no ICE hold placed on KP George. It's simply not true, according to him. Fagan also making it clear that George was treated like everyone else who are not a naturally born U.S. citizen. Fagan says in those cases, ICE always is contacted. I also spoke on a call with KP George and shared what Fagan told me. George said, quote, "That's his opinion and that is perfectly fine." Now, in his personal statement letter, George also made a request for the district attorney, Brian Middleton, and Judge Christian Becerra to recuse themselves from his case. Middleton, because of his ties to county leadership and potential conflicts, and he also wants Becerra booted because George claims Becerra, who signed a warrant during the investigation, also is overseeing his case. The Fort Bend County DA's office says Becerra does not have the case, as it is with Judge Tiana Watson. The DA's office also adds, "We will continue to present our arguments in the trial court and seek justice for the community we proudly represent." George is set to go before the judge once again next month. Live in the newsroom, Mario Diaz, KPRC 2 Investigates.